Right, this is our truck, our working truck, and it's been stolen twice already, and we're tired of it. And last time they stole all my tools, they stole my truck, and they stole the lights that were included with it. So now we got something a little bit more discreet, a little bit more powerful for them to, so they can steal my truck no more. So we're gonna put this together here and show you guys how to do this. So this is very simple. It comes with, they give you a set of 3 keys. You guys can see that. Just make sure you got the right measurements for your truck, because the spread depends on the actual measurement. So you got to look it up. You got to measure them from point A to point B. All right. Not only is it heavy duty, but you can use this as self-defense. If you get stuck on your car, you can use this against your window. That's another option you can do. The way this thing works, you make sure you have the key unlocked on the unlock mode. And then what you got to do is, see this thing? This goes underneath your brakes. Your brakes will be here. This will be underneath the brakes, and you got to lock it in place and then pull back. And that's how it grabs onto the brakes, all right? So just make sure that the brakes are in here. I'm gonna show you how, some of it. So let's go ahead and put it together. So the way it works, this grips onto your back. This locks the actual brake. I'm gonna see if I can show you guys where it locks the actual brake in there. And that's pretty much it, all right? You have it in here. If you can't do it one direction, do it the other direction. But like I said, you gotta measure it, make sure you have the right clearance so this thing can fit in between the actual brakes and the gas. Unlocking it, I'm gonna try to do this with one hand, guys. Unlocking it, see as it's off. You grab any of these keys, all right? And you can replicate these keys. You see how simple it is? Now that once you have it in there, you twist it, and then you're able to dig it out, because twisting this, you guys can see that? Twisting it. So putting it back, same way. Twist it. Once you twist it, you have to unlock it. You gotta lock it, right? Once you twist it, all you gotta do is push it back. They can't push the brakes. They can't steer a car. This thing stays fixed here, and it's perfect for any truck or car that's available to the sizes, all right? So to take it off, like I said, look how simple it is. One push, unlock it, take it off.